Numerous architectural styles have developed over centuries and across different regions. Some of the most prominent architectural styles include Art Nouveau, popular in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, characterized by organic forms, flowing lines, and ornate decorative motifs inspired by nature. Art Nouveau buildings often feature curved lines, floral patterns, and intricate ironwork. Classical style, inspired by ancient Greek and Roman architecture, characterized by symmetry, proportion, and the use of columns, pediments, and arches. Examples include Greek temples and Roman basilicas. Gothic flourished in Europe during the Middle Ages, known for its pointed arches, ribbed vaults, and flying buttresses. Gothic architecture is often associated with cathedrals and churches. Renaissance style emerged in Italy during the 14th to 17th centuries, marked by a revival of classical forms, humanism, and perspective in art and architecture. Renaissance buildings featured symmetry, domes, and decorative elements like pilasters and pediments. Baroque style developed in Europe during the 17th and 18th centuries, characterized by elaborate ornamentation, dramatic effects of light and shadow, and dynamic curved forms. Baroque architecture is often grand and theatrical, seen in palaces, churches, and public buildings. Neoclassical style, inspired by classical Greek and Roman architecture, popular in the 18th and early 19th centuries as a reaction against the excesses of the Baroque and Rococo styles. Neoclassical buildings are characterized by simplicity, symmetry, and the use of columns and pediments. Victorian style flourished during the reign of Queen Victoria in the 19th century, characterized by eclectic designs that incorporate elements from various historical styles. Victorian architecture often featured elaborate ornamentation, steeply pitched roofs, and decorative details like gingerbread trim. Modernism emerged in the early 20th century as a rejection of traditional ornamentation and a focus on functional, minimalist design. Modernist architecture emphasizes simplicity, clean lines, and the use of new materials like steel and glass. Postmodernism developed in the late 20th century as a reaction against the perceived coldness and uniformity of modernism. Postmodern architecture incorporates historical references, playful elements, and diverse styles, often characterized by irony, pastiche, and eclecticism. These are just a few examples of the diverse range of architectural styles that have emerged throughout history, each reflecting the cultural, social, and technological context of their time.